Pearl is an invention of a group of the higher quality, higher integrity dealers of surplus and used electrical apparatus from across the country. The used and surplus dealers of the country have been subject of a great deal of scrutiny and subsequently criticism from the major manufacturers of the country, who understandably see us as competition for the sale of their product. That there are players in our business, in the used electrical equipment business, like there are players in the used car business, any other business that has a secondary market, an aftermarket. That there are good players, there are bad players. And there are companies like Romac across the country that specialize in transformers, that specialize in electric motors, that specialize in diesel generators, that specialize in electrical apparatus in the way of control. These companies, from amongst these specialties, have learned their product to a very high degree. The organization Pearl was brainchild of a group of dealers who met in 1996 to discuss some specific issues that the used and surplus electrical marketplace was dealing with. Well, the agreement at the time was for us to join forces, for us to pool our funds, for us to pool our capabilities, our knowledge bases, to form an organization that would mutually benefit these dealers, elevate the practical performances of each of our companies. And this meant that the best of us technically would assist the others in raising the bar for them, in raising their performances as businesses.
I've had several customers call up and say, make sure that that equipment meets Pearl standards. And so it's meant more orders for me, and it takes away some of the fear of the customers not knowing what kind of equipment they're going to get. They know what they're going to get with a Pearl piece of equipment.
Pearl brings legitimacy to the secondary market.
When I ship a reconditioned circuit breaker motor control bucket out of here after it's gone through its reconditioning process, I know that that breaker or motor control bucket has been tested to Pearl standards, which are very stringent standards that this testing has to go through, or remanufacturing has to go through before it'll ever leave our door. And that just gives me a lot of confidence in our product.
Have people have more credibility in our reconditioning product, because we're different away from others. They don't have the same training or capabilities.
The owners of Romac take pride in what they build, and the fact that they help get Pearl started, it just shows that they're concerned about the quality of the product that they sell, and it allows us, when we go in the field to sell the product, that we can feel confident that it's been done properly. And
when you receive a Pearl stamped product, you're receiving the best quality product that money can buy.
If it's not operated properly, if the material that is supplying the electricity is not in good condition, it absolutely can cause great accidents, whether it's killing human beings or causing fires and causing great loss to industry. It's a very critical thing, and there are many people out there, suppliers, who do not perform the proper testing, who do not recondition the material. They'll literally dust off a piece of equipment and send it out the door at the cheapest price they can sell it for, just to get the money.
Pearl just means that is our commitment to excellence, our commitment to quality. When David put it together, the other dealers and put it together, I'm sure a lot of people questioned what he was doing, but they never questioned the reasons why he was doing, to push the industry one step above where it was and then continue to put it up above, to set standards of quality that our customers and end users and others could benefit from.
The name Pearl, Professional Electrical Apparatus Recyclers League. The very first letter, the very first word more than just implies that we do this for a living. It is our life. It is our livelihood. We are professionals at this, and each member has a solid commitment to growing its technical capabilities, its technical skill, by training each of its workers, by upgrading its test equipment, by understanding the standards and participating in the creation of standards that Pearl has assembled for its members.